Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Office. Com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account to access Forms. After signing in, click the app launcher and open Microsoft Forms to begin. Choose New Form to start a blank survey, or choose New Quiz if you want graded responses and automatic scoring. Name your form and add a short, clear description so respondents understand the purpose and time required. Pick a language and apply a theme or custom image to set the visual tone before adding questions. Click Add New to insert question types like choice, text, rating, date, or Likert for varied data collection. For each question, add a subtitle or image and mark it required if you need an answer before submission. Use the ellipsis menu to enable restrictions, set max length, or allow multiple answers for choice questions. Configure branching to route respondents to different questions based on their answers, and enable shuffle options to reduce order bias in multiple choice items. When your survey is ready, click Share to collect responses using link, QR code, embed code, or direct email invitation. Choose response settings like anyone with the link or only people in your organization, set start and end dates, and limit to one response per person if required. Monitor responses on the Responses tab for live charts and summaries, and open in Excel to perform deeper analysis or export as CSV for external reporting and visualization tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.